Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what is the difference between rooms and zones on Roborock. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are just learning about the Roborock vacuum, especially the app. What's the difference between rooms and zones? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to enter your vacuum, and then your settings might look different from mine depending on what type of Roborock vacuum you have. But notice how on the bottom hand side we have 3 tabs. One says full, and so the full tab is going to clean everything on the floor, okay? That's full. What rooms are is that you could actually create rooms within your home, and then if you want to clean certain rooms, you could actually check those rooms if you want the Roborock vacuum to clean those certain rooms. Now what zones are is that I use zones specifically for one-time instances. Let's say there's a mess in my kitchen. I'll use the zone tab, and then you can adjust the zone tab so that you can clean certain spots within your home. So let's say that the spill in my kitchen's right over here. I can use zones to mark a zone, and then the Roborock vacuum will actually clean that zone. So that's basically the 2 different use cases when it comes to rooms versus zones on the Roborock app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.